So now we're going to do some drills to get really, really high on our toes. So one of the first ones I want to do with you, we're going to stand on our toes. We're going to think really tall, and we're going to walk straight forward on our toes crossed. Once you do that, I'd like you to do it probably 2 to 4 times up and back, just to really get your toes used to that weight on those top toes, because that will really, really help when you're dancing. Then we're going to go to the side. We'll go over, over, over. And that will get you used to it again, moving sideways. So we have our up, back, and then just the jumping. Again, the simple drill with points. But really only thinking about your back foot this time. So back foot placement, you're up here, and then you start your points. And you really see that back foot. We want to be really on the ball of our foot while we're jumping on it. Right there. And the same with this foot. Up, right here. And then we jump. And once you nail down those drills, really just keep practicing over and over. And again, they'll start to come really natural to you in your own dance.